touring bikes are big in U.S., both literally and figuratively, and the Bayerische Motoren Werke AG looks to take our enthusiasm for touring to the bank, also literally. Beemer paid close attention to the custom culture surrounding such bikes as well as the popular factory features from the competition to come up with the K1600 Grand America. Not only does the bike provide the look and functionality we tend to expect from our touring machines, but it pushes well into the power tourer bracket with 160 ponies on tap. The factory wraps up the package with an enviable electronics suite that can be further improved upon with a whole host of factory options. Make no mistake, this is one high-caliber weapon of mass seduction, and it's aimed straight at the heartland. So let's see if we can gauge how true Beemer's aim is with its latest effort to score a slice of the American tour bike market. It is a well-established fact that touring means something different on our side of the pond than it does in Europe and Asia. Unlike riding around some of the postage-stamped countries in those areas where you might have to do laps in order to get a substantial trip in, most Americans could ride for days without needing a passport, visa, whatever. For that reason, we like our bikes to have plenty of secure cargo space for dry storage along with creature comforts to ease the pain of long stints in the saddle. To that end, Beemer graced the America with a set of rather large panniers that comes buttressed by a voluminous top case. The case supports a wraparound passenger backrest with a generous splash of lights at the trailing edges of all of the above that spread the LED love around for what is hopefully an impossible to ignore arrangement for the tail light and turn signals.